Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself look like a seal on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to make your skin this color here, and then you are going to put on the hot dog costume. You're going to want to use this pattern here. I just saved it so it's easier for me to access. Then we are going to use this hat. Then we're going to also add these for the eyes, as well as this hood. We're going to add in a pattern. Then we're going to use this for the cheeks. Did I add that on? Okay, color it this color, this pinkish color. And then we're going to add this to it. I'm just going to color it all this color except for the last one. We're going to color it white for like the whiskers of the seal. And then what we're going to do next is we are going to add in some stuff from the code items. First we need this one, toggle it to 2, and we're going to color it this color. Oh, I guess it's the same. Anyways, then we're going to use the mermaid's tail. Then I'm going to color it this color here for all of it. It's looking already like a seal. We just need to add one finishing touch, which is this hat. We're going to color it this color, and then for the rest that you can't color, you're just going to color it this color. Okay, except for that one. Then you're just going to use the belly flop pose, and that is it. That is how you can make a seal on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.